Hi everyone, before we start, do me a huge favor and follow Callie on Instagram. This is her Instagram. I don't know, leave a comment on one of her pictures saying I'm here from Richard's YouTube. You could also follow me on Instagram, just here. Links will be in the description below. All right, let's get this started. All right, so we have 6 questions with Callie. So question number 1, how did I originally meet you, or what happened for you that led you to seek me? What happened? Did you go on Google or Yelp or?
Well, normally, normally whenever I get my phone fixed, I normally go through Apple Care and a couple other of the insurance companies, and I was denied. I couldn't get my phone fixed for them anymore because I kept breaking it every month. So I just looked up on Google phone repair, and I was literally in the next apartment complex over, and so he was there at a coffee shop fixing it, and I ended up just going and meeting him, and he was the coolest person I've ever met, fixing phones just super quick, and I just respect how he started his business. I don't even understand how he's even done it all. Look at him now, he's in this big company next to Hooters. He's just doing his thing.
Thanks.
It's crazy. Look at how much you've grown. It's just crazy.
Thank you.
No problem. Okay.
Second question. How many times do you think I actually fixed your phone?
You've probably fixed my phone, I would say 100 times. He's fixed my phone 100 times.
I think I started thinking about it the last 2 minutes. I think 20.
You think 20?
I think 20. Maybe 20 to 25. But that's been out over how long?
Probably since 2015.
Now is it? No.
14?
I think it's been 6 years now, right?
So 2014?
Because I've had this place for 5 years.
So 2012? 13.
Somewhere around there.
It's a long time. Long time. Yeah, so probably about, I think 50.
50?
Let's say 50.
Okay. All right, question number 4. What do you mostly use your phone for?
Instagram.
Instagram?
So do I. Mostly for Instagram. You do too?
Yeah,
really?
Social media. That's pretty much. And then what else do I? YouTube pretty much on the television, but social media, I would say.
Yeah. Yeah, that or just calling, scheduling photo shoots. I have so many things to do. It's crazy.
So question number 6, since you said that right now, have you ever missed out on something, an example, an event, work, social function from having your phone not working?
Well, let's see. I missed out on court. Wasn't working. Didn't go. I think I came right in here straight there. I missed court, and I told you I missed court. I'm oh no, what am I going to do? And yeah, and then sometimes when I have a broken phone, I can't do post, I can't promote companies, I can't do anything really without my phone. So, or even get an address, or even anything. So he's really helpful.
What's your I looked up your Instagram yesterday. I didn't even know you had that many followers. Do you want to shout it out?
Yeah, guys, go to Instagram and look for me, Kaliiifornia619. Kaliiifornia619.
I'll link it down in the description. Last question. Do you think there is such a thing as cell phone addiction?
I think there's an addiction to everything. Cell phones, I think, would probably be number 5 on the list of anybody in the United States. I think alcohol, or I think you would pretty much put drugs and alcohol in the same category. And then relationships addiction, and then maybe there would be phone addiction, honestly.
I think there's
cars.
I totally think there's a such thing as a cell phone addiction. I mean, I see it pretty much every day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
How many phones do you have right now?
Probably on the table right there, 3, I think.
How many have you had the most?
In one day, personally, just me alone, I fixed 17 phones once. In one day, yeah. Well, I think that's going to wrap it up. Yeah, go ahead and check her Instagram out. All right, see you guys.
Bye.